Hey guys, so I'm demonstrating our sink. I have not cleaned it for a while and it's time to show you guys. Here's the grime buildup. As hopefully the camera shows you, it's a little nasty. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on a little water. It's best to use this with a little water or soap. Power this on. Check this out, my friends. And that was, what, a minute clean? Wow. Look at that. It's like a brand new sink. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. For today's video, we are unboxing and showing you guys what the electric spin scrubber looks like and how it performs. So this is for grout, floor, tile, windows, and more. Go ahead and show you how it comes packaged. Right away we see they give you a nice little manual. Now they give you multiple extensions. So this is a thick bristle extension. Here you have another thick bristle, but it's in a shape of an oval. Next you have a straight up shot bristle with hollowed center. Now this one is also hollow in the center as well. It's just not a straight up cone shot. Now you do have different pads. So this is pad number 1. It's kind of a soft felt, not felt, but a soft material. Then you have a hard bristle, probably for grime and grout. You also have another hard bristle, and here you have kind of a soft padded end. So the nice thing about this unit is you don't have to bend down anymore. There is an extension, so this is it. This is what it looks like. You just attach the ends, whatever end you're going to be using. You just line it up like this, and then you would twist it. As it shows on here, it shows lock and unlock. So we'll get to that in a moment. The charging cable, it's a Type-C, so you know it's updated. So these are the pole extensions. So there's pole number 1. And number 2. They also provide you with another hard grout pad. And this one looks like a buffing pad. So you guys can see with this kit, you get a lot of stuff. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you guys how exactly this would work. So you clip this on like that, and then if you want it off, press the button. Inside here is probably going to be your charging port. Yes. So inside here is how you charge it. And again, you just connect the silver piece on like that, and then you connect this white piece on the bottom. So it's going to be like that. And again, you don't have to add these extensions. You could take away the silver piece and then just put this piece up on the top here. Press and hold. It tells you your battery life. Press the button again and you got another mode. Press it again and it's off. Press and hold it again to turn it on. So you got medium and high. So now let's go ahead and put this on here. So we turn it this way to tighten it. So as you guys can see, let's test this out. Hey guys, so I'm demonstrating our sink. I have not cleaned it for a while and it's time to show you guys. Here's the grime buildup. As Hopefully the camera shows you. It's a little nasty. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on a little water. It's best to use this with a little water or soap. Power this on. Alright, so now let's go ahead, show you guys, look at that chrome. Look how it almost looks brand new. And we just did that very quickly. Look at that. That is awesome, and we still gotta clean this off. So I'm gonna clean this out, clean the sink off, and show you guys what it looks like. Check this out, my friends. And that was, you know what, a minute clean? Wow, look at that. It's like a brand new sink. So you guys can use this for sink, toilets, tubs, and all of the above. Works great, my friends.